Ready to unlock the secret weapon for hyper-personalized real estate marketing? We're diving straight into setting up Behavioral Kvcore. First, navigate to the Marketing tab on your Kvcore dashboard. This is your command center for all things marketing automation. Next, look for Smart Campaigns and click it. These campaigns are automated sequences designed to engage your leads, and we're going to tailor them to react to specific behaviors. Now, within Smart Campaigns, you'll see options like campaign triggers or behavioral rules. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Kvcore version, but look for anything that lets you define actions that trigger specific campaigns. Click on the Add Trigger button, or a similar prompt, to begin setting up your first behavioral rule. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a list of potential triggers, like property viewed, email opened, website visit, or lead registration. Choose the behavior you want to track and base your marketing on. Once you've selected your trigger, you'll need to refine it. For example, if you chose property viewed, specify the property or price range that triggers the action. If it's email opened, you may want to specify a specific email. Now, select the Choose Campaign or Action option to assign a smart campaign to that trigger. This will determine what happens when a lead performs the specified behavior. Finally, dive into the personalization options within your chosen campaign. Tailor the email content, timing, and follow-up actions to resonate with leads who exhibit that specific behavior. It's all about creating a relevant and engaging experience. And that's it. You've just taken the first steps to supercharging your Kvcore with behavioral marketing. Now, you'll be able to create more targeted and effective interactions with your leads.